Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the silverware basket in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new silverware basket. The silverware basket allows the silverware to be kept in one place for better washing results. The main reason to replace the silverware basket is if it's broken or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Next, we're going to pull out the lower dish rack. And then we're going to pull out the silverware basket. This is the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to drop in the new silverware basket and slide in the dish rack. Now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.